Hello friends, welcome back on this YouTube channel. I am Professor Saurabh Naik, taking the next session under the discipline Geology. So our today's topic is metamorphic rock. The series of type of rock. In the series of type of rock, the third type of rock is a metamorphic rock. That's the third session under this series. So why we learn metamorphic rock? So answer is to understand the different terms regarding rock, science of rock, metamorphic rock, to know the classification of metamorphic rock and how metamorphic rock is formed and its application. So let's move towards the basic terminology. So what is meant by petrology? Petrology, science of rocks, deals with a mode of occurrence, composition, classification and origin of rock. Earth crust is made up of various form rock made by various process. Also include a study of texture and structure of rock. Now we move our main topic, that is a type of rock, third, that is metamorphic rock. So what is meant by rock? A rock, the answer is the rock is a naturally occurring solid mass or aggregate of minerals. It is categorized by the minerals, included its chemical composition and the way in which it is formed. A rock is an aggregate of mineral. So our third type of rock is metamorphic rock. These rocks, which have formed through operation of various types of process on pre-existing rocks involving changes of texture, structures, etc. The direction of change depend on the type of rock and process. The metamorphic rocks arise from the transportation or transformation of existing rock types in a process called metamorphism, which means change in a form. Metamorphism means change in form. That particular rock changes its form or their properties. The original rock is subjected to heat and pressure, causing profound physical or chemical change. The protolith may be a sedimentary or igneous or existing metamorphic rock. The igneous rock can be changed into metamorphic rock, or sedimentary rock can be changed into metamorphic rock, or a particular metamorphic rock changes its own properties due to metamorphism. It is called as a metamorphic rock. Formation of metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks exhibit a great variation in their mineralogical composition. The new minerals formed due to temperature, pressure, chemical environment, etc. formed during metamorphism are stress minerals and anti-stress minerals. Metamorphic rocks are formed under stress minerals and anti-stress minerals. Metamorphic rocks are created by the physical or chemical alteration by heat and pressure of an existing igneous or sedimentary material into a denser form. The classification of metamorphic rock is classified on the basis of texture and structure, degree of metamorphism, mineralogical composition and mode of origin, etc. The classification of metamorphic rock is based upon the texture and structure of rock, degree of metamorphism, how greater degree or less degree of metamorphism that changes the mineralogical composition also, and mode of origin. Twofold classification based on a presence or absence of layered structure. Look at this image. Image shows increasing quantity of metamorphism, means increasing from upper side to lower side, the metamorphism quantity is increased, that is either increasing in heat or pressure or chemical attacks. Look all the rock images. Look at the first one, that is a shell, a plain and smooth surface, because the starting point the metamorphism is less, so the rock is smooth and a plain surface, plain texture. While when we increasing the metamorphism quantity, so now look at the gneiss rock. The surface is rough with the different colors, formed with a high level of temperature and pressure with the trace minerals. It is a gneiss. So from look at all these images, shell is a smooth and there is no layers. In case of slates, there are some layers. In phyllite, the layers are increases while increasing the metamorphism, and it changes its color into whitish shade, schist and gneiss. So the first type of metamorphic rock is foliated rock, showing development of parallelism in their mineralogical constitution, falling under term foliation. The rock shows a parallel lines or parallel layers in the rock, called it as a foliated rock, indicating features of cleavage or slaty. For example, gneiss, schist. Second type of metamorphic rock is a non-foliated rock. Non-foliated means it doesn't show a foliation or parallelism or layers. Total or nearly total absence of foliation or parallelism mineralogical constitution. Look at these images, marble or anything, quartzites. There is no parallelism, there is no parallel lines or layers. So this is called as a non-foliated rocks. So here we end the types of rock series. So this is about a metamorphic rock. For concluding this metamorphic rock session, the important points are we understand the petrology, that is the science of rock. What is meant by rock? It is a aggregation of minerals. Then these three sessions shows the different types of rock, that is the igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and in this session we learn a metamorphic rock, their classifications, their formation and their application which are used. So here we end up this third session under the type of rock, and also we complete the series of type of rock. We will meet on next video with a different interesting topics with a different discipline. Thank you so much.